So, it's quite possible when you're reading so many books that out of those books, there will be certain books that will make you feel sad, depressed, or maybe disturbed. And I think the last emotion, the disturbed emotion, I felt recently when I read the work of a celebrated author. Hi, hello, namaste. My name is RJ Manjula. Welcome to my YouTube channel. और आज इस channel पर we are not going to exactly review a book, but we are going to talk about racism in books. So this is the book which I just finished reading. It's called 100 World's Greatest Short Stories. Now there's a reason मैंने इस book को choose किया था because if you remember in this channel only, on this channel I had made a video where I had given top 10 tips for beginners, top 10 reading tips for beginners. Now if you have not watched that video, I've given the link in the description box below and also on the I button above. But now coming to this book, so in that video I'd actually shared my story where I told you guys that I started reading very late. मैंने graduation के बाद novels read करना शुरू किया था. So because of that I missed out on the work of a lot of authors. Now to understand their writing style, this is the best way. When you read their short stories, the kind of authors you will be able to relate to. So that's the reason I picked up this book. And I was genuinely happy because this book has stories from all the celebrated authors around the world. For example, Chinese philosopher Confucius ki stories, या Russian author Tolstoy ki stories, Indian author Rabindranath Tagore ki stories, and also American or English authors ki stories. So I was quite happy. But when I reached a certain story by Charles Dickens, it's called Noble Savage, and that story is full of racism and it just left me disturbed. So सबसे पहले मैं आपको चार्ल्स डिकिंस के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बता दूं that he is a celebrated author. His work is celebrated. उनके नाम पे events होते हैं, award shows होते हैं, उनके नाम पे इतनी सारी किताबें हैं, बहुत सारी, and also museums हैं उनके नाम पे. So the story, as I said, I read by Charles Dickens called Noble Savage. So first of all, noble savage is a term given to those humans or humankind when these are not corrupted by civilization. Like for example, जब हम early humans जो थे हमारे, it says that we were so pure because we didn't know the concept of right or wrong. So at that point we were not corrupted. So that's the term noble savage given to such people. But in this case, it is the term given to Indians. And if you read this book, if you read this short story, it is full of racism. And it's not only Indians that he targeted only Indians. His work is so full of racism against Chinese, against even Americans or Africans. So उनका जो काम है is so disturbing. So in these short stories, Charles Dickens has written 4 stories. Out of that, one was very, very beautiful, the first one. When I read the second one, I didn't bother to read the next 2 stories. Now, this video is not to tell you that you should not read his books or you should not read his work. Of course, he's a celebrated author. He's done some great work also. But my only point is we should not celebrate him as a progressive author because he clearly wasn't. Or we should not say he was much ahead of its time because he wasn't. And then I started reading about him on various other platforms and I realized that there are people who've been fighting against him. I could relate to the incident that happened last year in his museum where somebody wrote on his wall, the museum wall, that Charles Dickens with black chalk is a racist. And he was arrested, of course, and but this guy said that he was actually a racist and I'm not sorry for it. And हर साल अमेरिका में एक इंसिडेंट एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज होता है चार्ल्स डिकिंस की मेमोरी में where people they go on the streets wearing clothes or becoming a character from his books and they dress up as that character. बहुत सालों से उस पर प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है because everybody is backing out. They are withdrawing the support because they feel that the more they're reading Charles Dickens' work, the more they're realizing that he was actually a racist. Not just that, of course, in his defense, there are a lot of people who would always say that time was like that, and during that time everybody was like that. Maybe they're right, but this is my part of the story. And of course, just because one author and his story was full of racism, because of that I cannot give negative review to this book. This is an amazing book. Rest of the authors, rest of the stories are beautiful. And if you're also like me, who started reading really late in life, then you should definitely read short stories. These are short stories, as I said, by celebrated authors from all around the world. So this is a book that you must have. So I'll be happy if you share your ideas on this topic. That do you think Charles Dickens' work was full of racism? Or did you also feel like me, so disturbed that you couldn't complete rest of the stories by him? Any views that you have on this topic, please leave your comment in the comment section below. And like always, please like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. I'll meet you soon, very very soon, with a new video. Till then, keep reading and please keep smiling.